Nurse Camp is a sleepaway camp for about 5 days for junior and senior high school students to get a feel for what nursing school would be like, especially here at TCU. Some of the things that the campers get to participate here at Nurse Camp is they got CPR certified in the beginning of the week, they got Stop the Bleed certified, they got to go tour JPS Hospital here in Fort Worth. This Dementia Friends simulation is really great for students to get that knowledge and empathy for how dementia patients really feel.
During the dementia experience, the campers were able to get blindfolded to take the cognitive ability of being able to see. They had headphones to take the ability to hear, and they were given tasks and objects to find in a room, and they're able to get distracted by their surroundings and how a person with dementia goes through all the tasks during daily living.
So we're in charge of pretty much taking care of all the campers. We stay in the dorms with them, we take them to all their meals, to all the different buildings and activities that they're doing, as well as being mentors throughout the week.
Yeah, our role is kind of being like a big sister, a big brother to them. They can come to us with any questions they have about nursing, TCU, or anything at all.
My favorite part of being a student nurse leader has been being able to communicate to the students as their questions of my personal life and understanding where I've come from and how the process of coming from a different school to here has been wonderful. Or what's my adventure during the nursing program, what's the struggles I go through, and how we're able to connect on a personal level.
My favorite part is getting to see all of the high school students, almost like the aha moment. They're getting to really feel like a nurse and get to see things that they're not getting to see on everyday life or in high school. And so many people have expressed to me like how much they want to come to TCU and how great it is. And that really I love hearing that because this is such a great school and I want everyone to come here.
The faculty here and all the professors here are amazing. And it's truly like a family here. And I feel like out of other schools, you don't get that same feeling.
It helps to have that community feel because you always feel like you have someone to talk to, someone that's been in your shoes, sometimes someone to cry to. It's a hard process, so you can't do it alone.
And I think it's so important when you go to college to try and meet as many people as possible because then you have so many more people to lean on. Getting to know people in your major specifically, it helps to have people going through the same thing as you.
I want to say thank you to the TCU's nursing program for allowing me to be in this position, being able to be a student leader at Discover TCU Nursing, and be able to get the confidence, the skills that I need for my future, and be able to talk to the younger generation